I made this rabbit to look like Boo. Oh, well, at least kind of anyways. You know, I just found out there's no parking permits left, and so I have to leave a little bit earlier than I thought. And I hate leaving in a rush. You know, I'm one of those people who hates packing up, and I hate going on holiday, and I hate coming back from holiday, because I'm always terrified that I'm going to have left something behind. You know, and I promised myself that I would keep everything to one room, but I should have known myself better because I have things in this room. My toothbrush and toothpaste are in this room. My laptop and socks are in this room. And I have this stuff in the kitchen as well. And not only that, but all of those items are spread out in each of those rooms. Man, what am I like? Don't forget this. I've been asked to take this bike back from Maya's sister from London to Chippenham, so let's see if we can fit this in the little car. I think that's everything packed up. Let's just do one more quick sweep of the house to make sure, and then time to go home. Okay, I think we're all good here. Let's go. See you later, Boo. Hey, you look the same colour as my microphone. Right, let's get out of here. It's good to be back. Am I ordering more crochet stuff? My workshop is right next to the train station, and so in principle it makes sense for me to just get the train to London. That would be the quickest way, and it would. But I always have so much stuff, I feel like I need to take the car. Last week I was working on some fancy furniture. I kind of showed it off a little bit. But let's go through a bit of the process, because I didn't use any of the process footage. Let's update that, because I'll probably be working on that the rest of this week. So then it's all together in one place. How's that? Knowing me, that won't be the case, because I never follow through with what I say. So I'm just cutting up the ends. I want to make sure that all of the ends are fresh and square. And then once I know that, I can push it up against this stop block right here, and that enables me to cut all of the components to the exact same length. And I'm going to repeat this process and just go through them all. I made these components about a week or so ago. And then I'm using my adjustable square there to find the depth of the groove and just transferring that mark onto those rails there. And then I'm using a table saw jig just to slowly, piece by piece, just notch away until I've got a tenon on the end of that component. And that tenon's going to slot into the groove that you could just see a minute ago. And they're kind of rough, but I like them that way. It means that I can use a chisel to finesse them in. Next I'm cutting up the panels. These panels are going to go inside the frame. Just using oak plywood here, cutting it up on the table saw. And then I'm just gluing it all up. I use a lollipop stick to spread the glue around. Put a clamp on there. And then I got a bit of lens flare, so it all went blurry, so I cut that seam, but you can see I'm just tapping it all together, squirting it down with some water, clean off the excess glue, and then you don't, off screen I just measure that to make sure it's all square. You check your diagonals. That's where I'm up to at the moment. Keep your eyes peeled. We'll be doing some more in the next few days. Now, because Maya's not here, there is a very real danger. I'm going to end up eating Chinese food every single day of the week until she gets back. Just can't be helped sometimes.
Oh, yeah, you okay?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
You see, the problem is my favorite Chinese restaurant is located on the back of my workshop. So I feel like I'm encouraged to go there basically every single day.
Kinda good.
Fingers crossed. I don't think I've left anything in London just yet. Still looking. Wait and see.